Yo everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Rapkoch Fishing, out here with my boy Evan, Tenkara, Arizona.
What's up, guys?
Hey, we're up on the rim. It is a cold day, about 32 degrees. Should warm up though. Creek's flowing pretty good. We got the fly rods, we got the Tenkara rods. Gonna try to catch some fish. Let's go. Woo! Awesome. Elk crossing the river. Look at all those.
Ooh, got some chocolate milk today.
Really cool. All right, guys, to start, I got my 3-weight fly rod here. I got a little hopper up top, and below that, little nymph. It's pretty cold right now, so and it's about 6:30 in the morning, so it might take a little while to get into these fish, get them to wake up, but we'll start fishing now. That one, guys. Little wild brownie, guys. Whew. Creek's moving pretty fast. Beautiful little wild brownie. Nice. First one of the day, guys. Woo, that water's cold. Oh. Another one, guys. Very pretty. About 6-7 inches, not big. Hook already came out, but just such a pretty fish. Wow, awesome. Got these little hand warmers here, putting them in my pockets. My fingertips are freezing right now. Woo! Especially after touching those brown trout. Oh baby, the sun is just about to start coming over the mountains. It'll definitely warm up with that sun overhead. But a good start to the morning. A couple wild brown trout to start. Such beautiful fish. I love this. I love this kind of fishing here. fishing for this little creek here. A very pretty one. Wow. Oh, that's good looking. Wow. Oh, it's a wild rainbow. Gorgeous wild rainbow. Wow, that's beautiful. Is beautiful. Wow. Awesome. Well guys, doing a pretty great start here. Only been fishing about 30 minutes and got on 2 beautiful browns and that gorgeous wild rainbow. Guys, we got the sun poking out over the trees, starting to warm up. Probably about 42 degrees right now, but hands aren't frozen anymore. When we first started, fingertips were so cold. Every few casts I had to put them in my pockets to warm them up. So this feels pretty awesome out here. Beautiful sound of the creek, and the water's high. The fishing's been tough. Fortunately, we got on a couple browns in that rainbow earlier. Anyway, this is awesome. I know for those of you who've been watching my channel, I do a lot of different kinds of fishing. So I've been in the city a lot. Been doing a lot of carp and tilapia and bass fishing in the city, in and around the city. But being from Montana though, that's where I grew up. This is home to me, you know. This style, this definitely speaks to the soul, and this is healing today. Even if it's cold, this feels awesome. So anyway, if you guys are liking this video so far, please hit that like button, and let's keep fishing. Let's go. Guys, there we go. A little rainbow. I think there's a bunch of little ones in here. I caught one, but it got off. Yeah, right here. Yeah. He's still moving. Let me see if I can oxygenate him. Just found this fish kind of washed up on the side here. They're still moving, so they must have just stalked it. So I'm moving him to some faster water here. See if I can't help him oxygenate, see if he can survive. Must have been one of their recent stalkers. Leave them in cold, fast water here. He's He's starting to get some fight back. All these bubbles mean this water is very oxygenated. Okay, there he goes. There he goes. I see him swimming still down there. So we gave him the best shot we could. See if we can keep that one alive. Yep, he's still swimming down there. Yep. He just moved into some more. He found a hiding place under one of those big rocks, so we did what we could. Got one, guys. Ooh, pretty nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. 14, 15 inches. Oh, he took the nymph. This one took the nymph. A little bit bigger of one. This one is 8 and 6, about 14 inches. Stalker. There we go.
Hey.
There you go, guys. A Stalker Rainbow. Not a bad size. It's about 10 inches, 10, 11 inches. I saw that they were stalkers, so you know, stalkers are usually used to the pellets. So, because of that, I put on one of these guys. It's like a fake egg, but it kind of looks like a pellet too. Good looking rainbow there. Not bad. There he goes. Got another one, guys.
Yep.
I'm liking that. Not a bad one. Oh, really pretty. Whoop. He took that fake salmon egg fly again. Pretty looking guy. About 7 and 4, 11 inches or so. There he goes. You okay? Little guy. Little guy here. There he goes. Fish on!
Another one.
Fish off! Come get the angle of the dangle. Don't step on that fish I saved. Fish on. Nope, stick on. Stick. Nice. Yes, sir. The angle of the dangle, baby. I gave Evan the spot. Now he's catching them all. Oh, got one. Got one. Nice. Another one here, guys. Little guy. There you go. There, I'll tell you guys, if you're fishing for stocked rainbows, freshly stocked rainbows, a salmon egg fly, because it probably looks like the pellets they've been eating, that's the way to go. You almost can't miss with them. Pretty little guy. There he goes. So again, this is the one that's getting them all. Another one, guys. There we go. And it's been a while since I've had the trout fight. I'm catching a lot of the city fish, the carp, the bass, tilapia, and all of them are fun, but man, trout fights are fun. There he goes. That one, guys. Gonna fight a little bit. Nice sized one, guys. Not bad. There he goes. Nice, guys. Another one, guys. They love that thing. Brownie? Rainbow?
No, rainbow.
Nice, dude. That's sick. E-Train just hooked up with the wild rainbow. Later, guy. All right, everybody, I think we're gonna call it a day. Evan's just gonna finish up hitting that hole with those stock rainbows, try to catch a couple more. Anyway, I was super stoked to get on that wild rainbow, couple of those wild brown trout in here, and then it's always fun when you hit a hole with some stocked rainbows. Caught a bunch of those. If you guys liked the video, please hit that like button, and thanks so much for joining me again. Kevin Rapkoch Fishing. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.